So I've got a show coming up where I'm going to be playing a set opening for a friend's band. And I asked them, hey, for this set, do you want all the songs to be clean? Would you prefer clean? They were like, yeah, that'd probably be better. But I already in the set, as I was designing it, had songs that had some dirty parts to it. And while I could get back on my subscription to the DJ pools I'm using and go find the clean versions of these songs, I decided, you know what? I think I can make my own clean versions, and I want to show you guys how I did that here. I pulled the song in to Logic. You can see it up here. This is the original. This is a Kendrick Lamar, Humble, Dibs and MGM Hibernation edit, or Hibernating edit there, dirty. So it's the dirty version. And all you need to do this is Logic and their new stem splitting feature and a kilohertz plugin called Tape. Kilohertz Tape Stop. This is the plugin you need. It's very, very simple, very, very easy to show. First off, you pull in your track and then you right click and you go to stem splitter. Now your stem splitter is probably not here. It's probably down under processing here. This is where it'll be. It's up at stem splitter because I've been using that tool a lot today. And this is like a dynamic menu that puts the thing you use the most at the top. But once you click that, if you click stem splitter, it brings up this menu. Just keep all the boxes clicked, and then that will generate these 4 channels here. One for vocals, for drums, for bass, and for everything else. Now, you do need to generate all 4 because what we're going to do in this process, this will then be muted, and this bounce here will be the same. If we play these 2 sounds side by side here, you can hear it sounds exactly the same. It's the exact same mix. I guess maybe you could uncheck the drums and bass box, and it would probably put the drums and the bass into the other channel, and you just have 2 channels. That still is the whole track, but I digress. The main thing is that you need to be able to solo the vocals channels separately. And then you put Kilohertz Tape Stop on there, and then you just go into the automation and you automate the play here. And when it's at play, the track plays like normal. When it's not at play, the track stops kind of like a DJ scratch. All this Tape Stop plugin does is basically your audio will play, and when you press this button, it goes and it stops, and you're not hearing anything. It's like a fancy mute button. It mutes and then it'll start back up as well. So you just put that in, and then it gives you the ability to do edits and kind of change the shape. There's a couple different settings you can tweak around in there, but
get the off my getting right.
And when you unmute this, then in the full mix,
Off my getting right.
it's slightly more interesting than you like dipping the whole thing, or just even cutting the audio out here. Because obviously you could just mute this and it would do the same thing, but this is a little bit more stylized and a little bit better for a DJ set. So this is what I did today. I spent the time cleaning up the songs that had the most cuss words in there so that I could give them the clean set they asked for. Thought this tip might be helpful for some of y'all, and this definitely counts as producing. So 15 minutes of production for this. Took, I don't know, probably an hour or so of going through the different songs and putting all these little ones in. Got to listen through the whole song, make sure you find them all. Some of them are a little bit hard to find, and some of them it's like, oh, do I really want to edit that word out? You know, I don't know. Anyways, that's all I did today. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.